Hey, welcome back everyone. Today we're primarily filming with the GoPro. As you can see, I've got some beautiful waterfalls behind me. I've got the dredge right here ready to go. We're gonna get in the water and see if we can find some gold. As you saw before, we got some pretty nice flower gold. I want some bigger gold. I can get flower gold all day at the beach. I got this thing for bigger gold. Let's go. Okay, day two. I'm back at the river. Chris is right over there. He decided to join us today. That's my boy over there on the hill. We're gonna get this thing going. I'm gonna run it for a little while. We don't have too long to run it. We're only here for a few hours. I'm really looking forward to getting my Gold Hog mats on Monday or Tuesday, depending on when UPS decides to deliver them. But for now, we're gonna run this and we're gonna see what fine gold we can get and hopefully some chunkier gold. I know this is getting fine gold right now, but I'm looking for that bigger piece. Whether we get it in this episode or not, we'll see. Okay, end of day 2. I got all my concentrates in a bucket. I want to show you some of the lead that I got. A nice little 22 bullet too. There's Chris and my wife. Chris's dredge, I got mine torn apart. We're just doing the teardown, and I'll see you back at my house with the final cleanup. Welcome back. We made it back to the house. I got everything cleaned up. I got some rest. Now let's show you the gold. Sorry if my voice is a little quieter, the mic's pointing away from me. But there's the gold we got. Let me zoom in a little bit. Not the big gold we were after, but definitely bigger, and we're still catching that fine gold. And then look at all that lead we got. I don't think I'm going to melt this one down. I really like that. That'll probably end up going salmon fishing with me. All the rest is going to end up in my diving weights. That'll probably actually get cleaned up, and those will get recycled. All in all, I'd say that was a pretty good day. I got my Gold Hog mats, so we're going to be installing those, and I'm going to be heading back to the river this weekend, and I'll be working on another video. Until then, thanks for watching. Maybe give it a like and a subscribe, because I'm going to be putting out videos as often as possible. Thanks again. Have a great day.